dessert till you clean off your plate. So eat it, don't you tell me you're full.